So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now, once the lab is started, just right click over here and open the console incognito window. Now here, click on I understand. Now here, click on I agree and continue. And then just click on it to activate the Cloud Shell. Now let me just change the layout, its appearance. Click on continue. Remove this unwanted pop-up from here. Authorize. Now let me increase the text size. Now in the description box, I've shared this repository and we have to just paste over here like this, hit enter. Now this lab will take around 20 to 50 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, sorry. It may take more time also depending on the lab instructions and the resources availability. So you need to wait for that time and after that we will check the score. So just wait for 20 minutes. And if you get any error, just restart the lab. Now let's see how much score we have got. So currently we haven't got any score. Okay, because it's taking time. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. So you need to wait for it. So finally after 23 minutes, it's working. Now let's check the score. It took a lot of time. Just try to check the score again and again. Refresh the browser also. So it will take time to update the score, do not worry. So this is how we completed the lab. Important information. It will take around 20 to 30 minutes for this lab to get completed. So do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.